Wait, guys, do you think we're crashing? Let's go back. That was kind of not good. Okay, guys, we're gonna go. And this time, let's crash into the walls. Oh! We just really broke the wall. Bro, what did we just do? Okay, let's go. Guys, we're gonna crash. Oh! And that's what happens when you always do that. Oh, guys, we're just going this way. Let's go this way. We just crashed. Oh, we just flipped it back. What have I done now? What? Come on. Like, what do I have to do there? Oh. Look at us.
Look.
My brother.
Oh! Crash it!
We just crashed the guys. And we fall down. Wait. Oh, we're not driving.
It's not working.
Hey, oh, guys,
Guys,
but
it's not working.
guys, it doesn't work. Let's go here again. This time I'll do it. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're going on the arrows. And let's go. And do not hit the cones too. Oh! That caused a lot of damage right now. That just caused a lot of damage. Guys, let's go back where we were.
No, but
Okay, this time we'll do the walls. Let's do the walls this time. That caused like a lot of damage. Okay, guys. Okay, we're going. And let's go! Yeah, we're on the right speed right now. Oh, look what I just did. Okay, now let's go on the bumpers. Like, you know those